Whether it's for work, productivity, or gaming, a keyboard is undeniably a crucial part of your setup. But you might be thinking, do I have to spend a fortune to get one of those fancy mechanical keyboards? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are my personal recommendations for all-purpose mechanical keyboards that deliver incredible performance, all for under $100. First up, the Ajazz AK820 Max Pro, a compact 75% layout keyboard that checks all the boxes. With hot-swappable switches, a triple connectivity setup, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless, and a massive 4,000 mAh battery, it's a powerhouse for just $80. Thanks to its FR4 plate and sound-dampening layers, you get a deep, Thocky sound profile. Plus, the upgraded ergonomic design and modern control knob make it perfect for both work and play. Next on the list is the Aula F75, priced at an affordable $70. This compact 75% layout keyboard is ideal for gamers and enthusiasts who love portability. With customizable RGB lighting, hot-swappable switches, and a Clacky sound profile, it offers an incredible typing experience. Though it doesn't have a built-in battery for wireless use, its solid plastic casing with metal elements makes it both durable and lightweight. Perfect for those who need a simple yet reliable keyboard. Looking for something sturdy and wireless? The Rainy 75 is a solid option for just $85. This TKL keyboard offers triple connectivity, USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, giving you flexibility across all your devices. With hot-swappable switches, customizable RGB lighting, and a Thocky sound profile enhanced by its premium build materials, the Rainy 75 is perfect for both gaming and productivity. Plus, it's powered by a 4,000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting performance whether you're wired or going wireless. Whether you're on a tight deadline or a late-night gaming session, this keyboard delivers reliability and style. Last but not least, the hidden gem, the Techware Spectre 75. For $85, this keyboard is packed with premium features. It's a gasket-mounted design for a smoother, more Thocky typing feel. It comes with pre-lubed switches, triple connectivity, USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G wireless, and a 4,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 400 hours on a single charge. But what really stands out is its customizable 1.14-inch LCD display. You can personalize it with animated GIFs or even use it to monitor your system stats like CPU and GPU usage. This keyboard combines functionality and fun, making it a must-have for productivity. So there you have it. 4 incredible value-for-money mechanical keyboards under $100, each with unique features. Whether you're after portability, customization, or a premium typing experience, there's a keyboard here for everyone. Remember, the right keyboard isn't just about the specs, it's about what fits your style and needs. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech recommendations. This is Gadget Dex, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep typing, keep exploring.